All right, so here this is the fourth question that you should know. It's about probabilities. So here we are looking for the probability. Well, we get a table with a bunch of numbers and we are looking for the probability of being a female and age 21. So the answer would be obviously female and age 21, 16, 27. However, you need to divide by everything. So one way to do it is type it in, figure out what the sum of everything on the calculator. This would be straightforward. The other way, you can use even Excel. So I uploaded already the file. So how can I do the sum? All right, so the total here. So I'm going to put separate here, total. So it's really simple. You just have to put equal sign and put sum, SUM, and open the parentheses, and then select all the numbers that you have here. So this will go faster than the calculator, I think. So for the question one, the first question is telling you that they want a female and age 21, right? And be careful about the question as well. So you can see it here, there is an and word. So every time they say and has to happen at the same time. So is the intersection of age 21, which is this, and the intersection of female, which is this. So you're going to give you only one choice, which is this one. All right, so that's the intersection. So how can I get the probability? Again, it's simple. Enter equal sign. So you are in function mode. You can click on this number, then divide, which is the bar here, all right, division, and divide by this total number, and that's the number you're looking for, 0.103. all right, so that's what you are supposed to enter on your calculator, and answer to 3 decimal places. Again, make sure you are rounding properly, so 0.103, and this was the first question. Now proceeding with the second question, here they use the word or. So what the meaning of or? Again, the or means if satisfied the condition of 20 or satisfied the condition of male, so you have to take it. All right, so do you remember before with the and we made the intersection? Here we are not going to intersection, we're going to select everything in there. So first of all, let's change the color of this to white. All right, so and what we are looking for, again, we are looking for age of 20. So I'm going to select all age 20, and this is here 20, and this is here 20. So I'm going to select both of them and change their color to yellow. All right, so you can notice, right? So this is age 20. Let's select right now male or male, let's say. So the male, they are this column over here. So I'm going to change the color here. And do you notice this one is the intersection, but I did not count it twice. I'm going to count it only once. All right. So how can I do this one really quick on Excel? So I'm going to put equal sign here, and I'm going to put the sum, open the parentheses. So sum, open the parentheses, and then I'm going to select all the numbers. So you can select them by holding the control key on your computer. So you can select this and then keep clicking on the boxes. All right, and Excel will know that you selected all of them. Close the parentheses, and then you're going to divide right now by the total. And remember, the total is over here. That's the cell having the total, and click on it after division and enter. So the number that you're looking for is 0.6098. So I think if you round it to 3, it's going to be 0610. All right, the 8 makes the 09 into 10. All right, so 0.610. 0.610. Okay, so just to make sure that you know how to do it on the calculator as well. So once I identified this number that I'm going to enter, you can you can just add them up and divide by the total, right? So turn on the calculator on. So what you can do, you can open the parentheses, It's gonna be 4746 add 1625 add 1679 add 1553. So this is the sum, and then I'm going to divide it by the overall, which is 15,747. And that's going to be exactly the same number, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So there is the and, make sure it's the intersection. There is the or, means you select all the categories, and there is the at least. All right, at least 20 years old. So let's go back to the Excel, at least 20 years old. So I'm gonna clear everything in here, change the color actually, make it to white. All right, at least 20 years. So that's including 20. All right, so at least 20 years old. That it would be including 20. So 20 and above, in other words. So 20 and above. 20 and 21, so that's you can include these numbers. So this is at least 20. All right, so for the third question, what's it going to be? Equals, so you're going to do equal sign here, and then you select sum, and then open the parentheses. So select all the yellow over here. All right, and then divide by the total, which is this one, and enter. So you're going to be 04117, so 0412. 0.412. Okay, that's all for this question, guys.